Hey mathematicians! Today we are going to learn another really fun game. This one is called Rabbit Tracks. So it's a little bit like Carrot Grab. In Carrot Grab you were adding tens to everything, right? So you're trying to get to a friendly number, like 150, 160, 170, where the 0 is in the ones place. Today, we're going to be learning another new game. This one is called Rabbit Tracks, and instead, you're going to be using strategies to add or subtract to 1,000. So I'm hoping at the end of this that you can make sense of problems and persevere a little bit and reason with some evidence. So here we go. So we're going to learn how to play Rabbit Tracks. Did someone say carrots? I saw a carrot this big, no lie. Here's our game. So you'll probably see that it is very much like Carrot Grab, except you can notice that instead of the tens, now we have hundreds. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And then if you get to 1,200 to the carrot cake, you win. So we're going to, again, it's pretty much the same game, but this time we're going to do it one more time. So on my slides, I'm just going to click here. I'm going to actually give you the link. So here it is. It's the same process. This time I think I feel like being blue today, so I'm going to put my blue guy right there. I'm starting at 100, so I'm already on a friendly number. I'm going to toss my die, which don't look like die. They look like little cards. And today I got a 1 and a 1. So let's see what I spin. It's on the line. I'm going to spin again. This time it looks like I get to hop 200. So I would rather hop the hundreds first, because if I go 1, 2, and I land there, it's a little trickier to try to figure out the hundreds. So I don't want to have to count 10 spaces. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go my 100. So 100, 200, 300. 100 plus 200 is 300. And then I'm going to add 1, 2, which is actually 10, 20. So we're counting by tens on the little squares. All right, let's play. Let's have a red guy be my opponent. I'm going to toss the dice again. This time I got a 5 and a 3, and I'll spin. I got 100. So again, because I'm already on my friendly number, I'm going to hop 100 first, and then I will count my 8. And I know that there are 10 spaces between 200 and 300, so that if I want to jump up to 280, I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I should have 2 more hops to the 300. All right, blue guy plays 2 and 5. All right, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Let's see what I spend. 300. So I don't really want to hop the hundreds first because that's hard from here. I'm hoping that I can get close to this 100. Let's see what happens. So I have 2 plus 5, that's 7. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Well, I didn't make it to a friendly number, but I'm pretty close. So this actually is 390, because the 10 before 400 is 90, 390. And so I'm going to count 300s. I'm going to always end up one space before the next friendly number. So I'm going to go whoop, 100, 200, 300, and I land right there. I don't have to count all these spaces. Each space is 10. If I counted 300 on this board, I would have to count 30 spaces. I'm trying not to have to do that. All right, let's see what the red guy gets. He got a 5 and a 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And he gets to hop 100. So he's going to actually split his 5 and 4, his 9 up into, he's going to split it up into 2, oops, I don't know what, 2, no, 2, Jiminy Crickets, 2 plus 7, because 2 plus 7 also equals 9. And if I do that, then he can go 1, 2, and then he's going to hop his 100. So now 300 to 400. And now he can hop the leftover 7. So he can go 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470. He could also have just gone, oh, I know there's 5 of these, so I can go 400, 450, 460, 470. So that's our game for today. So let's make sure we understand what we're doing. We're going to use strategies to add and subtract to 1,000, and we're going to make sense and persevere and reason with evidence. The other thing that you're going to do today is a page in your student book. It is page 25. You're going to add and subtract. So I would like you to try to do all of these problems. Once you're finished in your student book, you should go ahead and attach a picture of this work to our assignment. Instead of putting it in your math notebook, I'd like for you to just attach it to this assignment. So I'm going to give you a document that you can do that on in our Google Classroom. So that is it today. We're just going to play this fun game, and we will do a little adding and subtracting. I hope you have a super duper fun time. As you see, you do not have to have a partner in order to play this game. It's probably more fun if you do, but you can play by yourself. You can be the red guy and the blue guy, or the yellow guy and the green guy, whoever you want. Hope you have fun. Bye.